Today we are installing the rear bumper bracket and bumper on a late 60s Charger. Remember, if you use a grinder more than you use the welder, you're not a welder, you're a grinder. Let's get to it. Alright, I got the bumper bracket. Got the whole thing brand new, right? Goes up. You get the gist. I had to make custom brackets though. Little custom brackets, okay? Because the other ones are just shot. So we're going to weld these puppies on, clean this up, rust encapsulate it, and put this bumper bracket on so I can hang the bumper, gas tank, and we can keep rolling on this Charger. Got a lot to do. You cannot bury exposed metal. You wanna paint it, but you want to paint it with a weldable zinc primer. Okay, don't leave any bare metal bare. Okay, don't want to do it. So we're gonna spray it, clean it up, spray it, spot weld the new bracket on, and then encapsulate everything we can that's left underneath, around where we're gonna put the gas tank, mainly because I want to get the gas tank in. But I want to make sure everything else is ready to go so I don't have to go back. Capiche? Know what I mean? Holes closed, little paint. Much better than what it was. I couldn't leave it like that. So, just a little patch. I got some Eastwood rust encapsulator. We're gonna do all the metal frame underneath so I can get the gas tank up, get it all, you know, sealed from the rust before I put the gas tank in. So that's next. Let's finish up the other little patch. It's nice to save like little pieces of metal. A lot of people just chuck it. I find free little pieces of metal and I put it in my scrap bin. Comes in handy. Making little patches. So let's get going on the other side. There we go. Up, juice, gas, juice. There. What's up? Right down. Can't see without my glasses. Alright, not bad at all. We're going to do a test run with the bumper. We're going to do a test run with the bumper. We are going to do a test run with the bumper. Oh boy, she's heavy. Very heavy. I can hold her up here. Let's see. I think. Alright, I like that better. Now I can see what's going on here. Alright, yeah, it's gonna have to go up. There it is. Oh, can't see now. There we go. Back up. No, I can get it. Look at that. Bumper. Snug this one. Just for the heck of it. Right? Alright, one more bolt. Before we get too excited, we need at least one more bolt holding her in, and we can fart around with it. Okay. Alright. Bolts, washers. Oh, a lot of washers. I'm gonna put one in over here. Same spot. Oh, big washer. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, how you doing? bolt. Alright, let's see. Couple more bolts. I got one here, and then the bumper's on. We can probably take the bumper back off, and I want to paint that bracket I just welded. But there she is. Bumper's on the car. Now I gotta put the rest of the bolts in. Eek. Gotta put the rest of the bolts in and clean up a couple things here. Remember, we're going for mechanical function right now. I'm test fitting everything, okay? And down the road, probably next year, gonna tear the car all back apart. You'll see. But right now, we're gonna get this thing rolling. I want to get the tank in next. I want to encapsulate whatever I can, clean the frame. We repaired the damage that was there before I put the bracket on. So now we can get rolling on tank, fuel line, brake line, gotta do the brakes, emergency brake cables, brake hoses, clean the frame, encapsulate what I can, and we are going to plasma cut the floor out of the car and weld in a new floor. So that's probably coming up. So stay tuned for more. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again on the next one. Thanks for stopping by.